Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aidao token. Ticker symbol is Aost. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Aidao token will be listed today, March 22nd at 12:30 UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Aost, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Their official Twitter is at _Aidao Aost. Over there you can find lots of information. It says the Aidao network is a decentralized financial protocol based on OpenAI ChatGPT, dedicated to bridging the artificial intelligence and crypto worlds, enabling billions of ChatGPT users in the future to enter the Web 3.0 era. Total supply of this token is 10 billion Aost tokens. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. So far they have 3,229 holders, 18 decimal places. They have 9,581 transfers. And the total supply is on their BSC scan as well. Now, if you go over to their Twitter, they have 39 tweets, 11,100 Twitter followers. The Aidao network is a decentralized financial protocol based on OpenAI. Aost tokens can only be airdropped and destroyed through SOS issued by way of casting. Now that's what it says on their webpage or on their Twitter, and it has a link to their webpage on here, aidao.site, and then you could go to their DApp, aidao.site/DApp, and over also you could link your wallet to the official webpage, aidao.site, to use the DApp, and they also have airdrops. They have a link to Pancake Swap on here with their contract address, official token contract. Tokenomics are on here as well. So it says 52% of the Aost tokens go to SOS destruction curve release, 30% go to SOS token holder airdrops, 10% go to Aidao Foundation, 5% strategic investors, 3% marketing and development fund. So it says here, in the world of Aidao network, use AI to manage cryptocurrencies, obtain your encrypted information, and greatly improve work efficiency. So Aidao network is pleased to announce that the Aost Foundation has launched a new token to support the Aost network. Aost token is the governance token of the Aidao network. Except for strategic investors, Aost tokens can be cast and issued through airdrops and destruction of SOS. So I assume that SOS is a previous token here. they don't really mention that up front, so they go over other information first. So they go over airdrop claim rules. AOS is a multi-chain token that was previously deployed on Coin Security Smart Chain. On these, there's tons of grammatical and spelling mistakes on their webpage, so just be aware of that. This might be translated or just sloppily done. It's very hard to read. It says on the snapshot date, like snapshot's missing a T, and then date is capitalized in the middle of a sentence, and then it makes no sense. At the centralized exchange, L1, L2, SOS token holders and VESOS token holders can claim their AOS airdrops at 10,000 to 1 on the Binance Smart Chain. Unclaimed AOS tokens will be deposited into the Foundation's treasury. And the snapshot occurs, first block will be on March 28th, it says. So there's, airdrop link you can click on here. Then there is what else do we got here? So it says, eligible users will successfully register with a referral code and will receive 1,000 AOS eligible criteria. And they have a whole bunch of info about that. Now they go over the Aidao Foundation on here as well. Some of these links too, they don't even work when you click on them. Very, very strange web page. Somebody needs to fix this, and it's very sloppily done. There's a section here about curve issue. And then there's another section that says Aidao Foundation, but you can't even click on that. And then there's links to Brand, Twitter, Medium, Discord, and GitHub, and you can't click on any of those either. Same with the Brand Guide Audit Report, you can't even click on. Just hardly anything works on their webpage. It says every user who successfully registers will get a referral code. When an eligible invitee successfully uses the referral code to complete their registration. So they basically have referral rewards too as well you can get involved with, is what they're talking about. I do see different language on here. It looks like Asian lettering on a certain section with a graph, and it doesn't seem to, none of these links seem to work either. So this is definitely translated from some other Asian language, which is why it reads very poorly. The AOS team has decided to issue the remaining AOS tokens in the form of price increase auction. As more and more users enter, the cost of casting AOS will gradually increase. Whenever the value of the secondary market is higher than the assurance value, new AOS will be cast and issued to achieve the goal of AOS, ecological and healthy development. Now, besides that, there's only the socials with 46 tweets on it. You can read about some information on their tweets, but hardly of anything on the webpage is... has good grammar on it or anything. It's just very sloppy, and none of the links work. So just be aware of that. And but this token does get listed today if you're interested. There's been a lot of pancake swaps in the last minute or two. 3,229 holders, and I think people are anticipating this new MEXC listing. Now, MEXC obviously is an Asian exchange, which is why a lot of these tokens on here are from Korea, Japan, etc. Just be aware of that, and the information is scarce. Anyways, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.